Hi, this is Viktor from CapturingReality. We are a software company developing photogrammetry tool RealityCapture. This solution serves to surveyors, mapping professionals, and people working in building inspection by creating 3D models or maps with elevation out of photos, aerial imagery, and with possible combination of laser scans. The main advantage of our solution is that it provides the best speed on the market, where you can get your model pre-processed directly in the field and check if you're not missing any photos. And even with the speed, we maintain to provide the best accuracy and detail. Check out our solution for free with the new pricing model that we offer and benchmark it on your data. Stay tuned for the innovation that RealityCapture brings.